Heidi ho, my free folk friends. I'm running a little late. It's about 5 o'clock. Market closed about an hour ago. And we got a little bit of a sell off. Really nothing. I mean, it's down 14 points. You can handle that, right? We broke that low. We talked about it this morning. So we had that flag trigger. We broke the low and it turned around, came down. So now what we're looking at is a possible support right here on the lows. But breaking today's low tomorrow will probably put us on 1 or 2 day downtrend. And what I think is going to happen is we're going to tag this this trend line. And I'm feeling like it might be a last kiss. And for those of you who have just joined me, a last kiss is, but wait, first, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate it. A last kiss is the market just coming back, retesting trend line, and then taking off. So if you get a last kiss, usually means a really good run is before you. So we'll keep our eye on that. I kind of like the way this trend line looks because here are the two highs, and we can put a little top in over here, but this high is higher. We get that last kiss, we're going to make a higher low on the momentum, and then we look for a break of this high off the last kiss, and boom, baby, boom, it's running. So keep your eye on that, would ya? Let's just see what it looks like on the futures. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, it looks good, man. That looks lovely, lovely. Yeah, this 240 is kind of supporting that move down. So 730 might not be a bad number. That 30-minute on the futures is a bear flag, a bear flag. So if you're trading futures tonight after the open, keep your eye on that after 6:30 to get a nice move down. But the 240s will probably retrace a little bit, create a bear flag on the 240s, and then that that bear flag will carry through in tomorrow's market. So we'll watch that. We'll take another look at it in the morning. Let's look at bonds because bonds have been bonding. Oh, we got an inside bar today. And speaking of some bond people, and they feel like bonds behaving as though interest rates are going up. That inside bar doesn't convince me of it, but I'll just watch it. If it breaks high or low tomorrow, I'll have a better idea of which way it's heading. Wonder if it's just going to come in and fill this gap right here and then make its march up. We shall see, we shall see, we shall see. Let's see, was Tesla volatile today? Yeah, not terribly. There was money to be made. Look at that nice hammer. Would have taken an entry on the break of that hammer, and away she would have went. So anyway, that's the short or long there, boys and girls. Oh, Tesla did have a nice little move. And so I'm going to be neutral to bearish on the S&P right now, just based on that daily and that failed bull flag. So that's how I'm looking at it right now. We'll see what the futures look like at the open tomorrow, and we'll know what our bias is. And the reason I point out the bias is if you're an intraday trader and you have a bearish bias, then you're going to hang out and wait for bearish setups. You see a good bearish setup on a short time frame, you're going to play that. So if the overall day is bearish, your probability on intraday trades is greater on a bearish trade than it is on a bullish trade. So that's why I point that out. That's why I take a look at it to get a general idea. So anyway, that being said, stay calm and cool. Get some meditation in. I appreciate everybody hitting that subscribe and the bell and the like. And I hope everybody's at peace and good luck trading.